You guys know how I love some E34s. I don't know, man. It's just like they look just so damn adorable and cute. I don't know what it is. Maybe the twin headlights. Maybe the fact that it has photos from Ojos. I don't know what it is. But as of right now, I know damn well I love these damn cars for no damn reason. Like when I have a bad day, I hop in and I go for a drive. Sheesh. Bad day no longer exists. You know damn well they're always there for you. I like to hang out, chat with my car, you know, just chill around with them. I could be myself around them, you know. They accept me for who I am. I don't know, fam. Lately, something's been getting into me. Oh no! I've been gravitating towards a little bit of a smaller E34.
What are you doing?
I want to paint my Calypso red, you know? So I'm just looking at like red cars. I wasn't looking at no E30s. You ready to go? So I'm here to confess a little something. My buddy Kyle texts me talking about if I want to sacrifice an E34. You guys know how I love them, so I was hesitant at first. But after a while, I'm just gonna send it, you know? Because I have to build the small E34. So here it is. I'm coming out the closet, guys. I kinda took some parts from E34 to fix the stupid E30. Now this is the story all about how my life got a little bit weird and I slayed an E34. And it was something like this. What's up, guys? I brought some donuts.
Oh, nice.
You gonna have that, Kyle?
I have one earlier.
Hey, Kyle.
What's up, Christian? What up,
What's up, brother?
Anthony.
Anthony, hey, what's up?
What up?
Oh, this is a V8?
Yeah, dude.
Oh, shit. Sick, man. Damn, I can't believe you're gonna kill this car.
It's already dead. You don't like it, huh?
Kyle, look at this,
You
man.
don't fuck with the mafia, huh?
You see that?
That's not how yours come?
This is a drive shaft bolt. This is what happens when it wiggles too much.
It'd be slapping.
Sheesh, look at that.
I wonder how long it was driven like that, though. 'Cause we only took it around the block.
Look at that. That's pretty sick. If you guys don't know, if you keep driving your car with a bad flex disc, after a while it wiggle, and it explodes like
And it's all
the tranny, yeah.
under your seat.
It's wiggling like this, and the force of it wiggling, if you don't take care of it, it would like kind of break off the tail shaft of the tranny.
Center support bearing and the little flex disc.
Replace them, right? Tell them, Kyle.
Yeah, but mark your holes, because if you don't, you're going to have to get it rebalanced. And you'll get some 55-mile-an-hour wobbles out of the drive shaft.
I'm gonna get back under there. I'm going down. Take off more bolts and I look like this. Look at this. This is R.I.P.
Born dead.
Sheesh.
The Walking Dead.
Hey, this almost was ready for a manual swap. One little boo-boo right there. We're all good. Yeah, this thing's ready, about to ready to come out. All right, going back in, diving in. Is that for me, Kyle?
That's for you.
Really?
I just took it off right now.
Yeah.
All by myself.
This is Yeah, Kyle's hooking me up with an M50 intake so it could go on the S52 so I can make a little bit more horse. The runners are way thicker.
Look at the size of those runners.
Yeah, versus the other ones are skinny. What are we doing then?
You know, that's where you come in and let me know.
I think next what we have to do is undo motor mounts. For sure, trans bracket, brace, and then hook the chain up and start yanking.
Yeah.
I'd never used one of these, so I'll let you know by experience if this thing works or if it helps us out.
How about weight?
I usually just bang the shit out of the core support, you know? I don't know if I recorded, but motor's out.
For how big is it?
And we are chilling. Kyle's blessing me with the intake and the oil pan to continue the E30 build. Friends have friends. Woo!
Man, I smoke, man, but I never smoked no weed like that, man.
Okay, big update. I don't know where we left you guys off, but M bumper's back on. Motor's right here. Kyle was actually making a wood floor.
I was not.
Kyle sent me a video, and wood floor came out pretty good, man. So good that might be a little thing I might do in the future. So, check it out. But yeah, got the oil pan off, so I'm gonna load that up, and also got the intake, so shout out to the homies. Intake and oil pan. Yes. Shout out to the homies, man. Came in clutch, help your brother out. Well, goddamn, your boy's just having a blast editing. This video's been fun. All right, I gotta load up and wash the oil pan and some other parts. So I'm gonna run that and then run back. Oil pan is on, header's on. Shout out to Dave, man. Dave's been coming to clutch. Dude's helping me out so much. I got Raceland headers on here. And the new oil pan with a new oil pump, sump gasket. Yeah, a couple things. This is where we're at. I just gotta start putting more pieces back together. Yeah, but like I'm saying, other than that, everything's almost there. I just gotta reassemble more stuff on the motor, on the block. Throw her in. I'm waiting for Garageuristics steering rack kit so I can go ahead and swap it in the M3. When should we stop this video? I think we should just keep it going. 20 minutes? 20-minute vlog? Just killed another E30. Came out my boy Deontay. But yeah, if you guys made it this far, please like the video. Like, subscribe, comment, all that famous YouTube stuff. Your boy's out. And I'll see you guys in the future. We out here just doing all kinds of shit. Just editing, you know, having a blast. Yeah, this is my outro to the video.
Yes, sir.
Bye. We killed another E30. Well, Deontay killed it.
R.I.P.
Hello, 5-speed. Let me show you what's going on before you guys leave. If you want to leave, or if now you want to click another video. But yeah. Goddamn red E30s. Gotta go.
Too many of them.
Oh, wait. I got a little something for you guys right here. Hey, Roxy. How you doing? Oh my God, you so cute. Wait, sit. Look at you, so cute. Wait, sit. You so cute. All right, bye.